In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn ads campaign. We'll start in your web browser. Type LinkedIn ads in the search bar and press enter. From the results, open the official LinkedIn advertising page. Look for a result from LinkedIn's official domain to ensure you're in the right place. If you're not signed in, log in so you can access Campaign Manager. Inside Campaign Manager, click the Create button and choose Campaign. This opens a new workspace where you'll set the foundation. First, give your campaign a clear internal name. Use something descriptive and consistent, like audience, objective, offer, and date. A thoughtful name makes it easier to sort, compare, and report later. This name is internal. Your audience won't see it. Next, set your objective. LinkedIn tailors tools to the goal you choose. Brand awareness focuses on reach and impressions. Website visits optimizes for clicks to your site. Lead generation uses LinkedIn lead forms to capture details right on the platform. Pick the option that matches your desired outcome because it also affects the ad formats and optimizations you'll see next. If you're unsure, pick the option that aligns with the primary metric you plan to report. Choose your ad set type, Accelerate or Classic. Accelerate streamlines setup with LinkedIn's automated recommendations, ideal when you want speed and simplicity without tuning every setting. Classic gives you manual control and detailed configuration, better if you have defined targeting, bids, or testing plans. Select the approach that fits how hands-on you want to be. Now select your ad format. Single image is great for concise messages and quick announcements. Video suits storytelling, demos, or thought leadership. Carousel showcases multiple features or items in one unit and encourages swipes. Your chosen objective may limit certain formats, so pick from the options presented. You can adjust formats while drafting if you want to compare a different creative approach. Add your product name and the product URL you want people to visit. Use the exact landing page that matches your message so visitors see what they expect immediately. When those fields look correct, proceed by creating a draft ad set to keep your selections organized and saved. Finally, click Save and Exit. This stores your campaign as a draft, giving you a safe stopping point and a solid foundation to return to when you're ready to supply final creative, review targeting, confirm tracking, and publish with confidence. Everything you've set here remains editable until you launch. You've just built the essential structure of a LinkedIn ads campaign. From the first search to a clean draft you can refine and launch.